Good morning, students. This is our social science class, and today we are going to discuss about our first chapter in history: where, when, and how. Till now, you are well aware of history. What is history? Why we study history? What is the importance of date? And many things you studied already in your previous classes. But as per practice, again we will have brief introduction of history. So we know it very well that history is a study of past events and changes that have taken place over time. Means whatever happened in the past, we studied it in history. The way of living our ancestor was very different from ours. We know it very well. In history, we study the changes which occur over a long period of time in different aspects of life, such as social, cultural, and economic life, military and administrative aspect, scientific, technological, and industrial progress, etc. Since it is a continuous flow of event from time immemorial to the present, it is difficult to divide it into fixed time divisions. But for our convenience, we have divided the history into three periods, that is, ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. In 6th class, you studied about ancient period. In 7th class, you studied about medieval period, and now in 8th class, we will study about modern period. Okay. Here, one point has to be kept in mind that all these three periods are not considered to have started or ended at the same time all over the world. Means पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये तीनों पीरियड एक साथ स्टार्ट हुए या एंड हुए ये नेसेसरी नहीं है. व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? और फॉर एग्जांपल इन हिस्टोरिकल historians considered that modern period started in Europe in 15th century, while in India modern period started in the 18th century. This variation in time is due to fact that different regions progressed at different paces. The part of the world which progressed faster witnessed industrialization and modernization earlier than other parts, while those parts which lagged behind in progress had to experience industrialization and modernization at much later date. Okay. European countries has witnessed modernization in earlier period compared to India. So in Europe, modernization period is taken much before than India. After that, after Europe, in India, it was the starting of the industrialization and modernization. So we have taken this period, or we can say we have taken modern period since 18th century. Okay. Now here one more question arises: why this present age is called modern period? So answer is very simple. It is due to the fact that this period is nearer to us in time, and we have many evidences which authenticate events of this period. Moreover, we can say this period has an immense influence on our life. Okay, whatever life we are leading today, it is influenced by the modern period. That is why we call this age modern period. Okay, beta.